Press the bell icon to never miss a video from POPxo Daily.
Hi guys, my name is Himani and welcome back to another episode of POPxo Look Like a Star. And for today's episode, we're celebrating Aditi Rao Hydari's birthday. Also, today's episode is not like our usual Look Like a Star episodes where I recreate one of her makeup looks. Rather, I'm going to show you guys how you can take your makeup from day to night, and we are getting inspired by two of Aditi's makeup looks. So without any further ado, let's begin. So to start with, our first look is very natural yet full coverage. Aditi Rao Hydari is all about beautiful flawless skin, thick brows, beautiful lashes. She generally doesn't wear a winged liner or a liner at all, but I'm all in for a beautiful flawless looking skin with amazing brows and lashes, and I think that looks perfect for a day event. So our first look is going to be all about that. So guys, this is the first look and I feel this is totally perfect for a daytime event because it makes my skin look so flawless, glowy, natural all at the same time. I am loving the vibe with the pink lips, with the messy hair, and I'm digging this look right now. But now I'm going to make a few tweaks in this look and take my daytime simple subtle look and create a glam nighttime look. Look, and it looks so pretty and I didn't have to do much. It was just like a few tweaks here and there and it made me look so glam. Now all I have to do is just open up my hair and you know, the buns are going to make them a little wavy, which is how we want it. So I'm just going to quickly do that and be right back. these were the two looks inspired by Aditi Rao Hydari, and I am completely, totally in love with both of them, and I cannot pick which one is better than the other because both of them were so easy to create, didn't take me too many products or too much time, and it still made me look like my skin looks so flawless and natural, glowy and glam at the same time, which is all we need for the upcoming festive and wedding season. But you guys let me know in the comment section below which look did you like better, and also if you like this video and these looks, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, and for more such videos, like, share and subscribe to POPxo Daily.